Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Majestic for backlink data and trust flow detailed guide step by step clearly. Type in the URL www.majestic.com. Once the home page loads, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Look for the sign up button and click on it. You'll be directed to the registration page. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. This may include your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to read and accept the terms and conditions. After completing the form, click Create Account. Check your email for a confirmation message from Majestic. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. Once your account is confirmed, return to the Majestic homepage. Now click on the Pricing tab located in the main menu. Review the different subscription plans available for backlink data. Choose a plan that suits your needs and budget. Click on the Sign Up button for your selected plan. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your details to complete the transaction. After successful payment, return to the dashboard. Log in using the credentials you created earlier. Once logged in, navigate to the Backlink History section. Here, you can explore various backlink data. Check the trust flow metrics associated with your links. Utilize the tools available for deeper insights on your site's performance. Explore additional features that Majestic offers to enhance your understanding. Take note of any specific recommendations for improving your backlink profile. Regularly check back for updates and continue monitoring your site's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel